One of our favorite pastimes here at Linus Tech Tips is buying weird technology off AliExpress, waiting the requisite 4 to 12 weeks for it to arrive, and opening it up for all of you. Well, we did, and we're doing it. Build a pretty powerful gaming rig without spending so much money that you could have bought it somewhere other than AliExpress. But you don't wait to build your PC because your fans didn't arrive, so we just grabbed a handful of fans we had kicking around that looked kind of AliExpress-y, and we're gonna get this going. Now obviously, this is a B450 board, so we're gonna be putting a regular old AMD CPU in it. Now RAM, I am expecting to be able to find some very, very Chinese RAM.